Hey love.
Hi, sweetheart.
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
And how was your day?
Well, not bad. I'm about to take a shower. Went to the store earlier to get something for tonight's Valentine Black Heart.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, and how are you doing?
Well, I'm fine, I guess.
Man, how's your day going? Smile.
Pretty bad.
Hun, now I'm starting to feel sad. Pensive face. Dear, what's wrong?
I've been stuck in traffic all day long, and I'm starting to feel stressed.
Oh dear, I feel sorry for you, but don't worry about it. Smile. I'm sure in no time, it would start moving.
Love, guess what? It's starting to move. Oh goodness, darling, you're an angel.
Thanks, sweetheart.
You're most welcome. So what are you preparing tonight?
No, I'm not telling.
And why's that?
Because I want to keep it a surprise. Grinning face.
Oh, common love, I'm curious.
Sweetheart, please common, don't spoil the fun.
Love, please tell me just this once, and I won't ask again. I promise.
You're so persistent and stubborn. All right, sweetheart, smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. I'll tell you, anything for my baby boy.
Thanks, love. I can't last a moment without you.
You're the most romantic guy ever. Kisses.
I'm blushing. Oh, my brains is about to blow. Call 419, oh my bad, 911.
Ha ha ha, you're so funny as well, lol. So the things I bought were okra, iru, locust beans, you-do leaf, spinach, greens beans, tomatoes, stockfish, magi, milk, bama, pomo, agussi, adorado, red wine and...
Baby, stop. What are we doing tonight? Are we celebrating Valentine's birthday? And are we wearing a soebi tonight? What connection does Iru have with Valentine?
Oh my goodness, I can't stop laughing. I got you. I was only pulling your ears. Sweetheart, it's a surprise. I told you earlier. Lol, grinning face with smiling eyes.
OMG, I'm gonna get you for this.
Lol, catch me if you can. Can't wait to have you here with me. Missing you.
Can't wait to see you again. Alright, love, take care until then.
And you too, sweetheart. Drive safely.